Oh, she can feel it. She can see it.
Oh, yeah. The dash attack. Let's go.
Look at that running animation. Oh,
yeah.
Bye-bye, baby. And mystery?
You're just my type. Oh, well.
We'll never know. Did she slit his throat?
I was just going to say.
The abs! Oh! Rest in peace, Saja boys.
Bro, legit, this, as they're like rising.
Dude, it's beautiful.
Why is it so hype?
It's the colors, the lights, their voices. What's underneath?